Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on Bitcoin USD, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
Bitcoin has lost 1% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into overbought territory. The euro-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ultimate oscillator moved sharply into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.9% in the last two sessions. The RSI has bounced upwards into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ADX has shifted into neutral territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Microsoft launched two models of its Xbox gaming console 7 years after the debut of the previous version to capture a pandemic-driven boom in consumer spending on games. Hopes that a coronavirus vaccine would put the British economy back on track pushed the pound 1% higher versus the euro. Losses from cryptocurrency thefts, hacks, and fraud declined to $1.8 billion for the first 10 months of the year compared with last year, but crime in the hot, decentralized finance sector rose.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The UK construction output will be released at 500 GMT, the UK GDP at 500 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 800 GMT, the US CPI at 1130 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims at 1130 GMT, and the U.S. crude oil inventories at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.